This is KBR Park, and you're watching the beautiful peacocks at KBR Park. See, there's one behind that. See that, there you see. Very beautiful birds. I don't believe I'm seeing this from so near. Wow, man, here there is another one. If you can see, wow, that's a beautiful blue color one. Very big feathers. I just hope I can give you a look at this one. Wait. We are going towards that. Some more beautiful one. Yes. If you can see that. I'm unable to zoom more than this one. Otherwise I would have definitely. With a beautiful blue neck. Oops. Lost the scene. Yes, I will capture another one. I'll show you another one. This is here. I just hope at least I get one feather out of it. Awesome. I don't think you need to. You want me to zoom more than this? See the feathers, so big. Beautiful animal. Wow. Escape from my camera. I end it here. Happy viewing.